How to fix this device cannot be used for Cash App. So if you're encountering that specific error message, it indicates that Cash App has restricted access from your current device. So this restriction can arise due to various reasons, including security concerns or compatibility issues. So here's how you can address and potentially resolve the problem. So the first one is to disable VPNs or emulators. So if you have any of those, you can just go ahead and turn those off, and there will be a chance for your Cash App to actually start working properly. The next one is to clear your cache and reinstall Cash App. So do this one first, of course. So on Android, go to Settings, Apps, Cash App, Storage, and then Clear Cache and Clear Data. On your iOS, uninstall the Cash App, restart your device, and reinstall the app from the App Store. So the process can resolve issues caused by corrupted data or outdated app versions. Then you can go ahead and check for device compatibility. So ensure your device operating system is actually up to date. And finally is to contact Cash App support. So if the above steps doesn't resolve the issue, it's advisable to reach out to Cash App support team for assistance. You can just go ahead and search for the Cash App support in any preferred browser, and you should be able to find them there, where you can go ahead and give them your issue and a possible solution to fix this specific error. But hopefully one of these steps does help you, and maybe the information can help you in some way. So if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.